Alright guys, Austen Thomson here, how you doing? In this video I've got a very important message for you from one of the most iconic hairdressers, a living legend called Trevor Sorbie. And if you have not heard of Trevor Sorbie, pause this video immediately and go and fix that right now. So you may or may not know that in London this weekend there is an event called Salon International. If you're not there, why not? Get yourself sorted, get yourself down there. I am down working with Schwarzkopf, helping prep them for their 120-year anniversary stage presentation. So if you're going down, I think you should get yourself a ticket for that. 100 quid, I'll put a link below, but you should definitely go and see it. Here is some of the looks that you can expect to see on the show. Seriously, 100 quid for a ticket. If you think that's too dear, get your boss to go halfers. If you think that's too dear, get your boss to buy the ticket, but it would definitely be worthwhile going. So presenting on that stage is going to be work from Tyler Johnson, my all-time hair hero, Leslie Jennison, probably the most influential hair colourists in the world, I would say. And the guys from Expression, who are doing some outstanding pixelated work, and two guys, Hooker and Young, total gentlemen, they'll be there as well. So get sorted, get yourself a ticket, and I'll see you there. So this icon I was talking about at the start. Alright, so what are you doing at the weekend, Trevor?
On the 14th of October this year at Salon International, we're doing a big show for 75 minutes.
Nice one. How long have you been doing hair now?
Over the years, I've been in hairdressing over 50 years.
Have you always been totally pumped about hairdressing?
I have from time to time gotten into a rut, if you like, where I've lost my enthusiasm. Well, I think this happens to every hairdresser.
What can we expect from the show?
This show will take away that rut. We're going to put on a show that will excite you, stimulate you, educate you, and actually, I think this is going to be a fantastic show, even though I say so myself, because I've seen all the heads that we're going to be doing, the colour ideas, the cuts, the long hair dressing, avant-garde, all of that I've seen, and it's blown me away. So if it gets me, it'll certainly get you. I look forward to seeing you at Salon.
Ingenious. Hopefully I will see you there. The tickets for Trevor's show are 100 quid. Right, that's £100 minus your boss's contribution, which is 50%, maybe 60%, maybe the whole lot. If you want a further 10% off your ticket, what you should do is get yourself joined in to the How to Cut It hair community on Facebook. And Dom Lahane will let you in and you'll get a further 10% discount. Come on guys. Anyway, we'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.